What up, YouTube? Today, guys, we finna do a POV drive. Right now, y'all, we at the gas station. We about to fill it up. And, man, this car done got nasty, y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all, twin. This bad boy get crazy. Like, bro. I see old Betsy, bro. That's how we do it, y'all. Damn, somebody put 20, y'all. Oh, shit. I'm trying to get my damn card information, y'all. I might gotta block that off. I get the gas, man. Make sure to hit that bit like that. Ooh. Gotta pour that bitch out, bro. Go like that. Bro, that bit about to look crazy, y'all. The bit right here, y'all, is like, we got some one-on-one type shit, y'all. I think that shit gonna be the actual thumbnail. Yeah, this bit crazy. I'm supposed to take this Halloween junk off, y'all, but I'm probably gonna keep it, y'all. Probably gonna keep this junk, man. It go with the car. And I'm supposed to be getting this kind of buffed out, but I'm pretty much waiting. Right now, I mean, this gas is going crazy, man. But right now, we just trying to actually get this bit actually started. And boom, bada beam. And y'all see like the actual Z, no cap. Y'all, we finna take this off though. Right now, y'all told you pull it up, brother. You about to see if he's about to be on that bullshit. Cause they be hating, man. So y'all like the Z, man. Look at, yeah, bro. So right now, y'all, I just got the thumbnail real quick. We finna go ahead and get this bad boy started, bro. Right now, y'all, I feel like the actual car was like 46. About to be crazy, y'all. I might do a 24-hour POV. I don't know yet, y'all. What y'all think, man? 24 hour or just, of course, the receipt don't ever come out. This junk loud, man. This junk loud, y'all. Y'all finna hear old Betsy. When I say y'all, this bitch is loud, twin. I'm gapping. Hey, y'all, I'm gapping that little slow shit right there. So, man, so this about to be a good POV, y'all. It's about to be crazy. I feel like I might just cruise, y'all. I don't know yet. So we just chilling at the gas station. I think she like it. I don't know if she coming to me.
Hey, your car scared the shit out of me when I was in my car.
My bad.
What is that?
My bad. Man. Thank you.
That Christmas almost hit that brother.
Bro, I need to take that off. You have a nice day. Yo, I'm scaring folks to it. Oh, shit. Bruh, I told y'all, bruh, the car sound like a freaking beast. Like, yo. I tell y'all, bruh, this shit sound geek all the way, y'all. Gotta make sure. They be ODing it, bruh. Lady talking about I done scared her ass, man. My bad. I'm ready to get my thing tuned, man. I feel like when I get this car tuned, it'll be way much better. But y'all comment down below, like, who should I get it, like, you know, who should I take it to get it tuned in the A? Cause man, I'm trying to go to a good place and jump before we go ahead and get that bit tuned. I should've went to this gas station, man. They don't have nobody over here. I can park sideways or something. But y'all, this might be a second POV, man. Bruh, tell me why the GoPro, I don't like using the GoPro, y'all. And it's the reason why I don't use it, y'all. Cause it overheats so much. That's why I don't like using it like that. So it'd be like, that's how I'd be like, I don't really want to use it because it's too much. I'm trying to figure out who this is behind me. Tell y'all, when I make it on that highway, it's a VR world. So I don't know who this is, man. Right now, y'all, we finna go good with this POV, man. Time to figure out who this is right on the side of me, y'all. Cause that can't be the same. Bruh, lady was talking about I scare her, bruh. That is so crazy, y'all. Right now, y'all, we in the virtual world, man. Jack is going crazy. A VR, bro. Whoa! I'm telling y'all, bro, this Jack is so fast. You already know when we get in that tunnel, man, we always got to hit that bit. Look at that. End up wrapping the car for like Christmas, but I got a crazy idea, y'all. And I'm trying to think, should I wrap it before Christmas? I can do it and still make a video, y'all. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I might end up doing it. I don't know yet. Y'all just comment down below what I should do for Christmas. Like what, you know, what? Damn. What should I do for Christmas, y'all? Y'all comment down below. I really want to do some crazy jump, bro. Like one-on-one. And I feel like I'm gonna have the one-on-one, y'all. We gotta go viral this time for Christmas, man. Last year, bro, we didn't do good. But this year we gonna do something. So hopefully that goes good, man. Oh, that thing just be pooping. I hear that poop. Oh y'all, oh shit. I don't know why that shit just did that, bro. That's how you do it, y'all. Yo, twin. That be loud, twin. Bro, y'all, that just sound like a damn chopper, y'all. Bro, this is why I love the Camaro, y'all. Like, so much. Like, this is why I love the Camaro, y'all. Bro, it sounds so much better than the Hellcat, y'all, on so many levels, man. So much better than the Hellcat, y'all. If y'all know, man, cause this bitch go. Bro, y'all make sure to get a Camaro, bro. Forget about a Mopar, y'all. Get a Camaro, bro. Get a Camaro, y'all. Like, if y'all get the Camaro, bro, this y'all would, like, I don't know. I feel like the Camaro is just a way much better car. Okay, pretty much just go crazy. Like, the looks way much better, bro. And yes, y'all, I can't see out this thing, man. Just give you like a few times, pretty much a few tries, and then it's just like you pretty much get used to the car. Like, bro, about to go crazy, y'all. Bro, lady was talking about I scared her ass. Bro, that is crazy, bro. I don't know, bro. Like, the car just got more louder out of nowhere. Like, when I got the headers added, okay, boom, it was something light. But then when I got the other stuff added, that when the car just started like being more aggressive. Like, the car sound calm, like all the way. I don't know, bro. Like, this bitch sound calm. But man, bro, it's about to be crazy, man. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. This might be in the same video, y'all. I don't know yet, y'all. Hopefully these cars don't keep getting all the way over. But y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that, man. And I hope y'all stay tuned for more videos, more content, man, more crazy POVs and everything, man. Y'all stay tuned, though. No cap.